We'll guide you through how to access Dropbox from desktop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your desktop screen and look at the taskbar or menu bar to find the Dropbox icon. Click the icon once and wait for the panel window to appear on your screen. If the panel is not visible, open the Start menu on Windows or Spotlight on Mac. Then type Dropbox in the search field. Select the Dropbox app from the results and wait for it to launch completely. If you are required to sign in, enter your email in the email field, and then enter your password in the password field. Click Sign In and complete any verification steps if you are asked to confirm your identity. After signing in, wait for your files to load and for the application to finish connecting to your account. Next, open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac to access your system folders. In the sidebar, locate Dropbox and click the Dropbox folder to open it. You will see all synced files that are stored in your Dropbox account. Double-click any file to open it using the default application on your device. To upload new content, drag files from your computer into the Dropbox folder and release them to start syncing. You can also right-click files to view more options such as sharing, renaming, or deleting. Check the sync status icon to confirm whether files are uploading, downloading, or fully synced. Wait until syncing completes to ensure your files are available across devices. Once everything is synced, your Dropbox desktop access is ready for use. You can keep the panel open to monitor activity and pause syncing if needed. If a file does not appear, refresh the folder or check your internet connection and storage space. Use the Dropbox icon menu to open preferences, change sync settings, or choose which folders stay offline. Make sure the app runs in the background so updates continue automatically. This method works for daily file access, sharing tasks, and backups on most systems without setup or technical knowledge. Always sign out on shared computers and keep your password secure to protect your account and sync data from unauthorized access at all times.